In just a few minutes, I will show you how to scrape climate data from climate.gov into clean, usable data, no technical background needed. Now, open the climate.gov page where the data is fully displayed. No forms to fill. Next, click the Minexa icon in your browser toolbar to get started with scraping. Click the violet button saying, "Yes, I'm on the right page," so Minexa can analyze and detect the climate data list. Navigation is locked in, so no pages will be skipped during any scraping run. Now, choose whether you want to scrape only the list or also the detail pages linked from each result. If there is a form, button, or drop-down to handle before the list loads, continue to the advanced setup to configure it. See that highlighted section? Hit Create Scraper, and Minexa automatically studies every field on the page. Minexa detected all fields including climate data points like temperature, humidity, and atmospheric tools, even picking hidden data inside the page. If you write code, click API Request to get a scraper template using direct, deterministic extraction instead of per-page AI calls. Hit the violet button to confirm and lock in your scraper configuration. Minexa detected how to navigate through pages automatically, so every run will collect the full set of climate data results. Final step. You can add a schedule or connect Google Sheets, then create the scraping job to automate data collection. Just hit Run, and your scraping job starts gathering climate and atmospheric data tools from climate.gov immediately. No guessing or confusion here. Each data field, like temperature readings or atmospheric metrics, comes from fixed page positions, ensuring accuracy and consistency every time you scrape climate.gov with Minexa.ai. This means your dataset is reliable, structured, and ready for any analysis without mixing similar values or errors. Hit Export to save your dataset as an Excel file you can open and use right away. That is Minexa, clean data from any website in minutes, and for developers up to hundreds of times cheaper than using AI-based extraction at scale.